Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reassemble the central bracing. But of course, before watching this video, check this one. It contains all of the basic information about how to work on this very car. Before we move to step number one, remember you need to take the whole battery compartment and of course remove the ESC cable because the ESC cable goes through the front brace and it will be impossible to take the whole assembly out without removing this cable. In step number one, we remove this part. It's only held by these two screws and also this piece of the rear brace that holds also the body mount, 3 screws from the side and also 4 hidden under the wing mount on the tower. It's quite simple, you just need to remove a few screws. Still in step number one, remember you need to remove those 2 screws up the front to release the front brace out. Of course, if you disassemble the whole steering deck, you will already have this job done. In step number 2, rotate the car and release the bracing with losing all of those screws in the chassis. It took a bit of force to take it out, but as you can see, the whole bracing system is in your hand. Now you can disassemble all of the elements and change whatever you want. And the last part that is also part of the bracing is this little small piece that is connected to the bulkhead. It only takes 2 screws to take it out. So now you have your last piece in your hand. So as you can see, it's a lot of wrenching, but pretty simple job. Remember, in this part there's still a nut here If you do not replace it, you don't have to remove it, honestly, and it stays here pretty solid. But of course, don't forget about this nut if you want to replace this part. So as always, if you want to put it back together, simply reverse the steps. I want to highlight one thing here. This cat that is made for the spur gear must facing the rear brace. So just like this. Note the orientation, because if you assemble it all to the car, it will be quite a pity that you need to take it all out to rotate it. So we are all done. As you can see, it wasn't so hard to do. It takes quite a few screws to take the whole bracing out, but honestly, I do not feel it's a very complicated task. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this. Of course, follow Team Corally on Facebook and Instagram. And if you need any questions, please write us at support@corally.com. And if you want to see this car and every other car in our lineup, please visit world.corally.com. It's our showroom, and you can learn all of the details and information about our entire lineup. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.
Team Corally, engineered to be the fastest.